Disneyland Limited, now loading for a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. Stop at Toontown, Toontown, and Tomorrowland.
That is joining us once more the Holiday to Express train, now departing from Main Street Central Station to destinations all around the happiest place on earth. While the train's in motion, for your safety, remain fully seated, keeping your hands on feet and legs inside the train at all times. Parents, please supervise those little ones, keeping them away from any and all vehicle openings. Now, without further ado, my friends, the next stop is going to be New Orleans Square Station.
Where are we going?
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the Primeval World and the Age of the Dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your children.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Disneyland Railroad. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Our first stop is New Orleans Square Station. But to get there, we need to pass through the wilds of Adventureland. It may seem peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there. Literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting home. For those of you continuing on with us, we'll be resuming our trip in just a moment. This is New Orleans Square Station. New Orleans Square.
Yeah, welcome to New Orleans Square Station. This is your portal for Adventureland, Frontierland, New Orleans Square, Bayou Country. And if you're looking for Star Wars Galaxy Edge, you're stopped too because you're almost there. There's places like the Haunted Palace and the Rainbow Barbecue if you want to get some food. Oh, and these are departing now. Thank you so much for joining us today on the Holiday to Express train. And without further ado, welcome to New Orleans Square Station.
It is sort of nice when you know, like I've been on. I like coming, but it's also nice.
For those of you just joining us, welcome aboard the Holiday to Express train, now departing from New Orleans Square Station to destinations all around the happiest place on earth. All the trains in motion for your safety remain fully seated, keeping your hands off the seat and legs inside the train at all times. Parents, please supervise those little ones, keeping them away from any and all vehicle openings. Now I bring the next stop on our journey will be Toontown Depot.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou. Welcome to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing. Where the welcome to the music is hot and the company is sweet and hot.
You guys know you can get wet. That's really fun.
As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams and the stories that went with them were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable, like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness.
No, it's a tongue.
That's pretty fun.
Milk.
A what? Milk truck? You're gonna see the
Ah, why is that connected?
Where's it connected? Yeah, on the bottom.
Why is it connected?
Yo, that's pretty cool, huh?
Why is it connected? Why is it connected?
Well, that's actually important that we did it.
Why?
Foxes and foxes.
Why? Why?
Why?
Yeah.
Because the locomotive's up there. The locomotive brings all the cars.
This tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of gear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings and step carefully from the train.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Depot for your security. Keep your hands on the seat like inside the train until we come to a full and complete stop the station. This is your gateway for all of Fantasyland and Toontown, including It's a Small World, Matterhorn Mountain, Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway, and other delicious delights that you may find in the land. Now, if you're departing here, thank you so much for joining us, and without further ado, welcome to Toontown Depot. For the Holiday 2 Express train, now departing from Toontown Depot to destinations all around the happiest place on earth. All the trains in motion, my friends, for your safety, remain fully seated, keeping our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times. Parents, please supervise those little ones, keep them away from any and all vehicle openings. Now, my friends, the next stop on our journey will be Tomorrowland Station, which we will arrive in today.
Feet and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future.
We are now approaching Tomorrowland Station. This is your gateway call to Tomorrowland movie. Space Mountain, unlike your astroblasters, we have to order and Star Tours. Looking for a bite to eat, there's also the Pizza Planet for analysis or slice of pizza or pasta. Now, my friends, for your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the trailer until you come to a full. And a complete stop at the station. If you're departing here, thank you so much for joining us. Welcome. Those are just joining us. Welcome on the Holiday 2 Express train. Now departing from Tomorrowland Station to destinations all around the happiest place on Earth. While the train is in motion for your safety, remain fully seated, keeping your hands off the seat and legs inside the train at all times. Sir, please supervise those little ones. Keep them away from any and all vehicle openings, my friends. Now the next stop is going to be Main Street Central Station. However, we need to make a short detour through the entire Grand Canyon and a quick trip through all of Primeval history. So, to avoid distracting the wildlife, and for the courtesy of those around you, we kindly ask that you please use no flash photography or video lighting in the following tunnel. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children, and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station, Main Street, USA.
Central Station. After picking up the stop, we are taking your main police, getting our hands off the lights inside the train, so we come to a full police stop the station. Now, this station is the only one without ramps or elevators. It only has stairs. Please keep this in mind as you use the park and keep any floors or windows open enough to reach the bottom. This is your stop for the park entrance and exit as well as any of the shops along Main Street. So without further ado, my friends, welcome to Main Street Central Station. For your safety, raise police keep your hands on the and inside the train at all times. Parents, supervise those little ones, keep them away from any and all vehicle openings. Without further ado, the next stop on our journey will be New Orleans Square Station.